Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, power windows, rear window defroster. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.